Ever wish you could do a freestanding handstand? Hi, this is me, Bonnie. I always wanted to, but I've never really practiced, so I definitely can't show you how. But a fellow American Ninja Warrior and aerialist, Eliannah, agreed to share her 6-day free handstanding tutorial. So make sure you follow her on IG at Eliannah. Day 4. This day was a little scarier since it was further away from the wall. But if you notice, I'm wearing the same clothes as day 3 because I was trying to level up all on the same day. But it did feel kind of cool to be further away from the wall.
Hi guys! I hope you're doing some kind of workout at home. My husband and I worked out in the basement last night. I kicked his butt and he enjoyed it. Yeah, that's him laughing. Yeah, just staying moving every day. Went for a run with my dog this morning. So yeah, let's go day 4, handstands. So first thing we're gonna do is just a little exercise. It's kind of a mental mind-body connection on how to keep your core tight in a handstand. So your handstand really exists, think of it from, it happens between your shoulders and your hips. This is where the balance happens. Everything else, it doesn't matter if this is doing its job, all right? So we're gonna stand on one foot and my core is tight and engaged and in line. And if I keep my core tight, I can do whatever I want with the rest of my body. So I can do raises, I can go off balance. The whole time my core is keeping me tight. So try it on both sides. This is just a goofy exercise. I want you to feel like this is the magic right in the middle, okay? All right, so against the wall. We're gonna do a little more with our back against the wall and then a little with our stomach to the wall. So, yesterday we started doing taps and finding that little moment of balance in between. So today, I'm gonna take you further from the wall and you're gonna bring your core with you. So my hands are now gonna be about a foot from the wall and my core is gonna be a foot from the wall. And my splits are gonna become bigger. So instead of this little tap, you're gonna have these big taps. And you're gonna hold this handstand in this baby split, okay? So now, I'm aiming for about a foot, further than yesterday. My dog might help me. And I'm kicking up, and my core is over my hands, and now my split is bigger. I'm pushing out of my shoulders, out of my fingers, and I'm trying to make that little switch happen right over top of my head. And I can even try to balance in that split, or tap with that foot, and I'm holding that split handstand. Okay, so try to hold that. You can go even further. Try to hold that split handstand. Split handstand is the easiest handstand to hold for most people. Straddle handstand is the next easiest. Okay, so now let's get a little closer than we were yesterday and try that. We're gonna try those taps, okay? And then send our foot to the side. Look where that foot is going. And if that's scary, keep the back against the wall. You wanna feel safe. This is little baby steps. You're gonna get there. I hope you guys are doing good today. I think, just ignoring the news, focusing on you, being active, setting little goals. Do that one thing you always wish you had time to do. Guys, we're gonna get through this. We're gonna look back and say, what's that one thing I finally had time to do that I always wish I could do? I'm learning languages. I'm hanging out with my dog. Reading books, So anyway, love you guys. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your handstand.
I hope everyone's doing well and you enjoyed this tutorial video. Thank you, Eliannah. If you guys like this video, please let us know by hitting like on the video, share it, follow along each day. Let us know how you guys are doing. Comment in the comments below, on IG, on Facebook, or wherever you're seeing this. And make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for the next lesson. Thanks for watching. If you're sick of feeling stuck with all the diets out there, busting your butt in the gym, and things still not panning out, not really getting the results you want, then I have some good news. I'm hosting a free online training that's going to help you discover the single biggest mistake that gym goers are making that cause every diet to end in failure. How to eat foods you love without feeling guilty or miserable and still get results. And the simple mindset hack that a lot of celebrities and TV stars use year-round to get results, and a lot more. It's going to be called Secrets to Get a Confident Toned Body and Live a Powerful, Healthy Life Without Crazy Dieting or Feeling Deprived. So to learn more on RSVP, simply go to www.eatnotdiet.com/early access.